session we are going to discuss about different type of muscles and its characteristic features. The diversity in movement is also evident in the muscles too. Our body is made up of different type of muscles. Let us discuss in detail about these different type of muscles. The first type, it is known as skeletal muscles. Skeletal muscles. It is known as skeletal muscle because they are seen attached to bones. They are cylindrical in shape. It is also known as striated muscle. It is also known as striated muscle because they have light and dark striations. All the voluntary movements in our body are made possible with the help of skeletal muscle. Example, the muscles in hands, legs, etc. The second type of muscle, it is known as smooth muscle. Smooth muscle. They are spindle-shaped cells. They are spindle-shaped cells. It is also known as non-striated muscle. It is also known as non-striated muscle because they have no striations. Involuntary movements in our body are made possible with the help of smooth muscles. The muscles in stomach, intestine, blood vessels, etc. are examples of smooth muscle. The third type of muscle, it is known as cardiac muscle. They are seen on the wall of the heart. They are cylindrical in shape and also branched. Cylindrical, branched and have striations. It helps in contraction and relaxation of the heart. Let us recollect the points what we have discussed earlier. Skeletal muscle, also known as striated muscle, seen attached to bones, cylindrical in shape, dark and light striations, make voluntary movements possible. The second type is smooth muscle, or it is also called as non-striated muscle. They are spindle-shaped cells, no striations. Involuntary movements are made possible and they are seen in the internal organs like stomach, intestine and blood vessels. Cardiac muscle, seen on the walls of the heart, branched, cylindrical, striations and involuntary movements are made possible. Now let us discuss what is meant by muscle fatigue. While engaging in physical activities, the muscles has to undergo continuous contraction and relaxation. This needs energy. We have already learned that energy is formed in muscle cells during cellular respiration. The factors required for production of energy in the muscle cells are glucose and oxygen. When you get engaged in continuous and strenuous exercises, there will be deficiency of oxygen in the muscles. Then the muscle depend upon anaerobic respiration in order to compensate this. During anaerobic respiration, lactic acid is accumulated in the muscles and this in turn increases the acidity and slows down the action of many enzymes which control muscular contraction. As a result, muscle get exhausted and temporarily lose the power of contraction. This condition can be called as muscle fatigue. On taking rest, the lactic acid get dispelled and the muscles regain their power of contraction. There are other methods too to get relief from muscle fatigue. They are hot water bath, oil massage, take proper rest, drink enough amount of water, and enhance your body endurance. Take deep breath, etc. I hope you understood what is meant by muscle fatigue and how we get relief from muscle fatigue. Have you ever thought why skeletal muscles get exhausted when you are engaged in continuous and strenuous exercise, but the cardiac muscle, which works throughout our life, does not get exhausted? It is because the cardiac muscles contain a pigment known as myoglobin. They can accommodate maximum amount of oxygen for cellular respiration. Another feature is they have a large mitochondria. About 25% of the cardiac muscle, it is covered by mitochondria. But in skeletal muscle, only 2% of the cell body, it is covered with mitochondria. More number of mitochondria are found in cardiac muscle when compared to skeletal muscle. I hope you understood why cardiac muscle is not getting exhausted even though it works continuously throughout our lifetime.